Introducing the best dressed street in the world. Savile Row was founded here by the first and most famous tailor of them all, Mr. Henry Poole, a few years after the Battle of Waterloo. Napoleon himself, incidentally, was a client of Mr. Poole's, and the long line of the world's kings, emperors and princes bears eloquent testimony to the supremacy of London tailoring.
By 1900, we were probably the largest tailors in the whole world, because we were making 12,000 bespoke suits, and we employed 300 sewing tailors and 14 cutters. We travelled pretty well all over the world, and that's how Savile Row is now known in most countries, certainly in Japan and America.
The global uniform of politics, business and society, the suit is a potent symbol of authority.
The suit has a history, right back to even the suits of armour. When people look at you in a suit, there's an automatic sense of respectability that is immediately attached to it, because subconsciously you're linking it to a past that you're not even aware of.
A lot of the older Savile Row names have their basis in military tailoring, often associated with particular forces. So Greaves and Hawkes is very much associated with naval dressing, Huntsman with the army. They say, for example, that a huntsman suit, you take it off the body and it remains standing to attention.
Buying a bespoke suit involves stepping into a timeless world of tradition and luxury that doesn't come cheap.
Hi, it's Tim. Hi, welcome. Good morning.
Tailors like Timothy Everest practice a craft that demands skill, salesmanship and charm.
With bespoke, we're actually starting off with a blank piece of card and creating a block pattern. The process begins here with the door opening, the curtain going up, and the first stage would be actually obviously to meet and greet the customer. Have a look at some fabrics. We'd obviously spend a considerable bit of the time trying to actually understand the customer. We might ask them, questions about what sort of music do they listen to.
Bespoke tailors take as many as 40 separate measurements to create a unique blueprint of the customer's body.
43, 6. The thing I'm thinking of is this one is an old bunch, actually.
When a customer has chosen the fabric he requires, it's said to be bespoken for. Cutting and stitching is then done by hand.